Good morning, class. Firstly, tell me how are you all? Okay, I think everybody is fine over there. So, I am your English teacher. Today, I am going to show you your first chapter of your course book, that is Cinderella. It's your first chapter. Till now, I have just given you the page number 1 to read, and I think you have read this page. So, this was the first page of your first chapter. And what's the name of your first chapter? It is Cinderella. So, this is the story of a girl and a godmother. Okay, that is a fairy. So, once there lived a girl named Cinderella. In this story, in the first page, there is just given a name of a girl whose name is Cinderella, and she lost her parents at a young age. She lived with her stepmother and two stepsisters. Her stepmother was very cruel to her. She made her do all the household work. Her stepsisters also did not like her at all. Despite all this, Cinderella grew up to be a kind girl who was loved by everyone but her stepmother and stepsisters. I think you got the point that there is a girl whose name is Cinderella. She lost her parents at very early age. After that, she has a stepmother and two stepsisters at her home, and they are very cruel to her. Okay, so one day a messenger arrived at their doorstep with an invitation. The king had ordered to organize a royal ball at his palace as he wanted his son to choose a bride. All the unmarried young women were invited to the ball, including Cinderella. The stepsisters were very excited about the ball. Cinderella was excited too and wanted to attend the ball. She asked her stepsisters meekly, "I wish you would take me to the ball with you." So, that was the page number 1. As you are looking over here, this is the glossary. This is the glossary. That means the words which are in green color have the meanings over here. So, if I would give you the homework that you have to write down the glossary, that means you have to do this part in your notebook. So, now we will move on to the second page. This is the second page of your chapter. So, till now we have read about this, that there is a ball party in a king's palace because he wanted to marry a girl and they are looking for a girl. So, that's why they have invited all the girls or all the unmarried girls which are living over there. So, we will continue the story. "It is no place for you. Stay at home and do your work," said the elder stepsister. The stepmother did not want Cinderella to go to the ball as she was jealous of her beauty. She wanted the prince to meet her daughters and marry one of them. So, she kept Cinderella busy with the household work. The stepsisters left for the royal ball, leaving Cinderella at home. She burst into tears, and as she was crying, a voice called to her from the garden. She went to see who it was and was surprised to see the fairy godmother. "Do not cry, Cinderella," said the fairy godmother. "You too shall go to the ball because you are kind and have a good heart. Bring me a large pumpkin, a rat, and 4 grasshoppers." Cinderella did as told. The fairy godmother turned the pumpkin into a carriage, the rat into a coachman, and the 4 grasshoppers into horses with her magic wand. Then she turned Cinderella into a beautiful princess and gave her lovely glass slippers to wear. The fairy godmother wanted Cinderella to return before midnight. Cinderella arrived at the ball. The moment the prince saw her, he fell in love with her. They danced together till midnight. As the clock struck 12, Cinderella rushed out to her carriage, leaving one of her slippers behind. The prince looked everywhere, but he could not find Cinderella. Then he found her glass slipper. He announced, that if there was a lady in his kingdom whose foot size was the same as the size of the glass slipper, she would be his wife. The prince went to every house in his kingdom with the glass slipper to find Cinderella. All the young ladies, including Cinderella's stepsisters, tried the glass slipper, but it did not fit anyone. Finally, Cinderella tried the glass slipper and it fit perfectly. The prince realized that Cinderella was the same girl who he had danced with at the ball. Just then, the fairy godmother appeared and said, "Take this young girl as your wife, Prince. She is a good person and will be a wonderful wife." The prince married Cinderella and they lived happily ever after. So that was the whole story of the Cinderella, who was a girl, actually the orphan girl, because her parents were not there. She was living with her stepmother and stepsisters who were cruel to her. Then she went to a ball party where she met with godmother. She gifted her with some dresses and some shoes, and she just lost her shoes over there, one of the shoes, and then king found her with the help of that shoe. So this was the whole story. Now you have to do the fill in the blanks. Okay, number 1, I'm just telling you over here, your homework assignment will be that you have to find the blanks from the chapter. Number 1, Cinderella lived with her dash and 2 stepsisters. So with whom the Cinderella was living over there? Stepmother. So Cinderella lived with her stepmother and 2 stepsisters. Number 2, Cinderella grew up to be a dash girl. So which type of girl Cinderella was? Cinderella was a kind girl. So number 2 answer is kind. Number 3, the stepsisters left for the dash, leaving Cinderella at home. So stepsisters left for the dash. For what the stepsisters left? That was a royal ball party. That was a royal ball party. Number 4, the dash called Cinderella from the garden. What was that? That was a voice. Number 5, the prince found Cinderella's dash. So what did prince found? What did found the prince? Glass slipper. Very good. So you have to do this fill in the blanks. And glossary. Glossary means these words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have to do these 9 words in your notebook. These are the glossary words, and then you have to try to do these fill in the blanks. Okay, and I'm just giving you the overview that how you have to do your work. This should be like this. So firstly, you have to write the date. For example, like this, 22 April 2020. In the middle one place, you have to write down the lesson number, lesson 1, then the day, like Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, whatever it is. In the second line, you have to write down the name of the chapter, like Cinderella. And in third line, you have to write down that what you are going to do, whether it is question answers or glossary or fill in the blanks, whatever it would be, you have to write it down over here. Okay, then you have to start from this line. So it should be the way that you have to do your work every day. I think you got the whole video and you got the whole chapter. If you have any query, you can call me. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.